Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to create a poll in Slack. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Slack. You can see over here, I've already opened it. You can either open the application or you can also open it on browser. If you want to open it on browser, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in app.slack.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, make sure to select the channel in which you want to create the poll. So there is no direct way to create a poll in Slack. In order to create a poll, you'll have to install the application within Slack which allows you to create the poll. So for that, what you have to do is simply type in /. After doing that, you'll be able to see the shortcuts over here. Find the shortcut for add apps to this channel and click on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Click on the search bar. Now search for Poly. Now you'll be able to see the applications over here. Over here, you'll be able to find the application for Poly. You can install it. So simply click on this option, install. Now you'll be redirected to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the option for add to Slack. Simply click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply allow the permission to access your workplace. Click on the allow option. Now once it has been added to Slack, what you have to do is go back to the Slack tab. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here, what you have to do is type in /. Now again, you'll be able to see the shortcuts over here. Find the shortcut for create a poly. Once you find it, simply click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to create a poly. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options for ask a question, engage your audience, manage your team, etc. So you can simply click on the option of your choice. If you want to create the poll, what you can do is simply click on this option, multiple choice. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to create a question. Enter the question over here. Now after doing that, you'll have to enter the choices over here. You'll have to enter each choice on a separate line. So simply enter the first choice. Now press enter. Now enter the next choice. Again press enter. Now like this, you can keep entering the choices. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find other settings like allow comments, allow multiple votes, etc. You can simply adjust the settings according to your choice. Once you do that, click on this option, send poly. Now you can see over here, your poly has been created. You can click on this option, done. Now in this channel, you can see over here, the poll will be created. Now people will be able to vote on your poll. So like this, you'll be able to create the poll in Slack. So that is how you create poll in Slack. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.